In this video, we're diving into how to set up monthly subscriptions in LearnWorlds. If you're looking to create a steady revenue stream for your online courses, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be revealing a competitor that might offer you more flexibility and a better experience when it comes to subscription services. So let's jump in. Setting up monthly subscriptions in LearnWorlds is pretty straightforward, but there are a few things you need to do to make sure everything runs smoothly. First, head over to your LearnWorlds admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the pricing plan section. This is where you can set up the pricing model for your courses. Click on the Add New Pricing Plan button to start creating your subscription model. You'll have the option to choose from several types of plans, including one-time payments, subscriptions, or even free access. Select Subscription as the plan type. Next, let's move to pricing. Under the subscription plan option, you'll set the monthly payment amount. This is where you decide how much you want to charge your users each month. Keep in mind that you can offer discounts or special promotions, which could encourage more signups. This flexibility in pricing is a great advantage, but do note, LearnWorlds doesn't have as many options for complex discount systems as some other platforms out there. The third thing you'll want to do is configure your subscription settings. LearnWorlds allows you to choose the billing interval for your subscription, which in this case will be monthly. You can set a specific date for billing to start, or it can begin immediately after the first purchase. This gives you some flexibility, but you might find other platforms offer more detailed controls around this. Next up is the access control settings. This is where you define which courses or content subscribers will have access to once they sign up. You can either lock your content or allow different access levels based on a subscription plan. While this is a nice feature, LearnWorlds doesn't offer as much granular control as some competing platforms. For example, other tools allow you to offer access to specific lessons or course modules, while LearnWorlds may require you to lock the whole course. Now, let's talk about payment gateways. LearnWorlds integrates with several payment providers like Stripe and PayPal, so you can easily set up automatic billing for your subscribers. However, be aware that the transaction fees might be a bit higher compared to other platforms, which could eat into your profits over time. Finally, after setting everything up, you'll want to test your subscription plan to make sure it works as expected. It's always a good idea to run a quick test before launching, just to ensure everything runs smoothly with billing and access control. But here's the thing, while LearnWorlds does a lot right, it has some limitations when it comes to flexibility and the user experience, especially with more advanced subscription needs. That's why you might want to check out some alternatives that offer easier customization and potentially better value for the same features. Now, before you leave, I have a special bonus for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to LearnWorlds, along with some great perks. But I also want to introduce you to other platforms that might be better suited for your needs, especially if you're looking for a more streamlined and affordable subscription model. These alternatives come with a free trial, and through our link, you'll get the best deal available. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So, that's it. Setting up monthly subscriptions in LearnWorlds is easy, but if you need more flexibility or better pricing, I've got you covered with some amazing alternatives. Be sure to check out the links below for the best free trial offers and start building your subscription business today.